Welcome back. I want to reset us back to the core problem we're trying to solve. When we apply for jobs, it's taking us a lot longer than it used to. It takes 200 applications for a hire. We know that 0.5% of applicants get hired. That's how we get that number. What that means is you have to apply a whole lot, but you want to apply with good applications. You want to increase your opportunity for getting hired. And that's what the features and the tools that we've created here are helping you to do. The first one I'm going to show you is about how you upload a resume and match it to a job and then customize that resume for that job. This will speed up the process, help you apply with quality resumes that are more likely to get the attention of the people who are reading those resumes. So let's dive right into the solution to this big problem that we have. How do you customize a resume? You've got to do this 200 times. Let's check it out. The first thing to know when you go into BetterThing is that we're laid out in a quick process for applying for a job. First, we need to upload a resume. Then we find jobs, or we can paste in a job. We customize our resume for that job. Then you can apply, and then we follow up on those applications. That's it. And today I want to show you the first feature, which is about how you upload a resume, find a job, and then apply to that job. All right, let's get started. It's super simple. You just click upload and you select file right here, and you pick up a resume. We're going to do Clark Kent's resume, upload that bad boy, upload that resume. And here we are. We have this brand new Clark Kent resume that we have updated, and then just say, use this resume. Now from here, if I have a job that I'm interested in, I can paste it in and it'll analyze that job and I can update my resume from there. It also automatically did a search for jobs that are a good fit. We will customize our resume for this job. And what the system is doing is looking at this job description. It's comparing it to our resume. We're an 83% match to start. Here we go. All right. It's got us to a 99% match. That's pretty good. It doesn't always get that far, but this one did. So here's what it did. It simplified the format for ATS compatibility. Super easy, but important. Improved search ranking with key skills. So it made sure that these key skills, if we have these, or if it could infer that we know these based on other things that it has, it went ahead and pulled them in. It's aligned language to the job posting, and then changed our bullets so that they're action-oriented. Things like spearheaded, engineered, developed, created. All of those things are actions that we've taken. And then finally, it's maintained the experience that we've had all along. So it doesn't change the dates or the titles. So the integrity of your resume stays put as you go. And that's it. That's all it takes to customize a resume. Here's everything that it's done. And then you can go and of course, submit an application to that job and go from there. It's that simple. Tomorrow, I'll show you the next feature, which is how do you follow up on these jobs? See you then.